We're going to solve this equation y squared plus 5y plus 4 equals 0 by completing the square. So the first thing we notice is the a term is 1. Because the a term is 1, we can set this up, leaving us our space to complete the square and bringing the 4 over to the other side. In order to complete the square, we're going to add half of the b term squared. So we're adding 5 halves squared. If we add this to the other side, we can actually do that out and square it. So 25 over 4. So remember, anytime we have a rational number raised to an exponent, in this case square, we square the numerator and square the denominator. So this is now a perfect square. So we have y plus 5 halves. This whole thing is squared. On the other side, in order to add these together, we need common denominators. So we have negative 4 times 4. So I'm just showing out that we need a common denominator of 4. In order to get this, we need to multiply both numerator and denominator of negative 4 by 4. Plus 25 fourths. So the right side simplifies to negative 16 plus 25 over 4 when we add them together. Negative 16 plus 25 is equal to 9 over 4. I'm just going to carry the left side of the equation down. Y plus 5 halves squared. We need to take the square root of both sides. So y plus 5 halves is equal to the positive or the negative root 9 fourths. Side note, if we remember that the square root of a quotient is equal to the quotient of the square roots. So we have y plus 5 halves is equal to plus or minus the square root of 9 is 3. The square root of 2, or excuse me, the square root of 4 is 2. So we have y plus 5 halves is equal to plus or minus 3 halves. I'm going to subtract the 5 halves from each side. So y is equal to 3 halves. I'm going to take the positive minus 5 halves, or we can say that y is equal to negative 3 halves minus 5 halves. Because remember, we're solving a quadratic and we have usually 2 real roots. We could have 2 imaginary roots, or we could have 1 real and 1 imaginary, but we have the or, because we're looking for where the parabola crosses over that x-axis. So, and now all I've left to do is simplify. So 3 minus 5, negative 2 over 2. Y is equal to negative 1. Or on this side, negative 3 minus 5 is equal to negative 8 divided by 2, or y is equal to negative 4. Okay. What this means, if you were going to graph it, we don't know a whole lot about the parabola. We do know that it opens up. We know that it's going to have a 0 here, and yes, our variables here are y, but it's where it crosses the x-axis. So our x is at negative 4, and we cross here at negative 1. And so the parabola is going to do something like here. We don't know where the vertex is, but we can very easily find that.